In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to permanently remove a sent email from your Gmail account. First, enter Gmail into the search bar and select the Gmail link from your search results to quickly access your inbox. Once in Gmail, open the Sent folder to view your outgoing emails. Now choose the specific sent email you click the Delete button to move your selected sent email to the trash folder. Next, open the More menu and click on the Trash option to open your trash folder. Now select the deleted email in Trash and click Delete Forever to permanently erase the email from your account. You have now successfully learned how to permanently delete a sent Gmail email.